Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Nation.
In this video, we'll be discussing about internship opportunities from two top companies like Amazon and Microsoft. So, Amazon is conducting a machine learning challenge, and Microsoft is hiring for software engineer intern. So, we will be discussing about both of these internship opportunities one by one. So, stay tuned till the end to understand everything in detail. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe it and hit the bell icon for further notifications because we give updates on jobs and internships every day. So let's start our today's video. Let's first look at the internship opportunity by Microsoft. So Microsoft is going to hire software engineer intern, and the role type is individual contributor, which means you'll have to apply for this internship individually. And the responsibilities after getting selected, your primary responsibility will be planning, under which you have to understand customer requirements, you have to assist with project planning, scoping and prioritization, you'll have to provide estimates and identifying task ownership. And under designing, you'll have to create simple, flexible and comprehensive designs, you'll have to provide and solicit design feedback. And under implementation, you'll have to write quality code at source, you'll have to authorize validation test and provide timely issue resolutions. Now the qualifications, which means the eligibility criteria that you need to have for this internship. You should be either from BTech, MTech, MS degree in computer science or any related field with minimum CGPA of 7.5, and you should have the ability to write clean and well drafted code with an emphasis on quality, simplicity, durability and maintainability. You should consider customers' perspective and experiences when implementing solutions. You'll have to demonstrate the ability to deliver task on time, and also you'll have to exhibit the ability to adapt to change. You'll have to provide estimates, author validation tests, and you'll have to provide timely issue resolutions. You'll have to communicate effectively to surface progress, risk and help needed within the project team. Now the locations of operations are Bangalore, Hyderabad and Noida in India. Now the benefits that you'll get after getting selected for this internship at Microsoft. You'll get industry leading healthcare and can participate few programs at Microsoft, and you'll also get discount on products and services. Now let's see how to apply for this. I will provide the link in the description. So upon clicking the link, you'll reach this site. Here you have to first sign in to your Microsoft account. So you can just sign in with Google. So after signing in, you'll find this page. So here you can see that at first you'll have to upload your resume here and then move on to next step of application. And after successfully uploading your resume, you'll have to fill basic contact details of yours like first name, middle name, last name, and your email address, your phone number, your street address, country, your website or any social platform URL, and your past work experience, and your education details, and additional information like your expertise or skills in relevant courses. And if you want to upload any other document like work samples or any authored articles, then you can upload it, and then you'll have to check out this box and click on continue with application. And after that you'll find this page. Here you can see there are complete 5 steps in this application process. So at first step you have to answer some question, and in the other steps also you'll have to answer some questions. So choose your answer appropriately and then click on submit. So after the last step your application will be submitted. So fill all the details carefully and submit your application. So this is a great opportunity to get an internship at Microsoft, so don't miss this if you have the required skills and you fit in the eligibility criteria. Now let's talk about another internship opportunity, which is Amazon Machine Learning Challenge. This is a competition through which you can get an internship opportunity at Amazon. So this Machine Learning Challenge will start from July 30 and will go on till August 4th, and the registrations are open and the last date to apply is July 29th. So you can see that this is a two-stage competitions where students from all the engineering campuses across India will get a unique opportunity to work on Amazon's data set to bring in fresh ideas and build innovative solutions for the real-world problem statement. And top 3 winning teams will receive pre-placement interviews for ML roles at Amazon along with cash prizes and certificates. Now the eligibility and team formation criteria. So this competition is open to all the students enrolled in PhD, ME, MTech, MSp, EB Tech or any full-time degree across all engineering campuses in India. And you should be from batch 2022 or 2023. So now the team formation criteria. Each team can have a minimum of 3 and maximum of 4 members, and team members can be from same campus or from different campuses. One student cannot be a member of more than one team. Now the prizes that you'll get after winning this challenge. So the first winner will get a cash prize of worth rupees 1 lakh and will also get certificates and pre-placement interviews for ML internships. And the first runner-up will get a cash prize of rupees 75,000 and certificates and pre-placement interviews for ML internships. And the second runner-up will get a cash prize of worth rupees 50,000 and certificates as well as pre-placement interviews for machine learning internships. Now, as mentioned earlier, this is a two-stage challenge. So round 1 will be conducted on July 30 and August 1st. So all the teams will get access to the problem statement with dataset on July 30 and will have time to build and submit solution till August 1st. And the teams can track their performance through the leaderboard, which will reflect team rankings live over the course of this challenge. Now the machine learning challenge finale, which will be conducted on August 4th. So based on the leaderboard scores of round 1, top 10 teams from round 1 will be invited to present their solutions to Amazon's scientist on August 4th, 2021. The finale will be hosted live. So as mentioned earlier, registrations are open and will close on July 29th. The machine learning hackathon will begin on July 30 and will end on August 1st, and the finale challenge will be on August 4th. So you can see that registration will close in 19 days. So now let's see how to register for this. So I'll provide you the link of this page so that you can view all the details again. So to register, you'll have to click here and then you'll find this page. So to participate, you'll have to click here on create team and then you'll have to sign in and then give details about all your team members like their email ID and all other details. This is a great opportunity to get an internship at Amazon, so don't miss it.
That's it for this video. Do like the video and share it among your friends, and also subscribe the channel for further more updates on internships and jobs. You can also follow us on Instagram for further more updates on different jobs and internships. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.